Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain and Web 3.0. The global crypto market cap was finally trading in green with an uptick of 1.71% over the last day, establishing above the $855 billion mark. This was all due to Bitcoin's recent gains, which took Bitcoin up by over 3% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's price also gained quite a bit on the weekly chart, around 3%. However, while Bitcoin's price was above the $17,500 mark, it was still mostly dilemma for Bitcoin investors, as the pump wasn't quite notable. In fact, many still believe that this can be the ups and downs that BTC faces, and with another new week starting, this can just be fresh week gains that have showered Bitcoin bulls with some profits. Ethereum, on the other hand, appreciated by 4% on the daily chart and around 2.95% on the weekly. A look at altcoins, however, suggested that not many had the same fate as Bitcoin and Ethereum. BNB was down by 3% and 7% on the daily and weekly charts. XRP gained a minor 3% on the daily and 0.56 on the weekly. Dogecoin was still down by over 10% on the weekly chart, but gained around 3% on the daily chart. Cardano made a few strides in the positive direction, but only managed to gain 1.84% on the daily chart. Polygon, the 10th ranked cryptocurrency by market cap, was up by 2.94%. A look at the top gainers suggested that Toncoin was still topping the charts with over 13% gains on the daily and over 26% gains on the weekly. Lido DAO followed with over 6% gains, while Curve DAO had 6.2% gains and took the third spot in terms of top gainers of the day. Some of the other gainers in the market were Compound, Quant, Uniswap and BitDAO tokens. While a few tokens rallied, others lost momentum. Trust Wallet's TWT token was still down by 10%. It is down by over 8% on the weekly. Neutrino USD, which is Neutrino's stablecoin, was down by a massive 12.7%. And as we can see, the stablecoin has lost its dollar peg and was trading at $0.71. ApeCoin too had notable losses of over 5%. Then came Pancake Swap with over 3% losses on the daily chart, followed by BNB with over 2% losses. FTX traders, investors finally set out a sigh of relief as there was some movement or development in the case with Sam Bankman-Fried's arrest. This was without a doubt one of the top news of the day, as Sam Bankman-Fried was finally behind the bars. According to the details of the indictment that has been brought against SBF, the same states that SBF engaged in a scheme to defraud equity investors in FTX. At the same time, he was also defrauding the platform's customers. The indictment also alleges that SBF raised more than $1.8 billion from investors who bought an equity stake in FTX, believing that FTX had appropriate control and risk management measures. For more updates around the cryptocurrency market and to stay tuned with the SBF arrest, about which we will be reporting pretty aggressively, don't forget to subscribe to Voice of Crypto's YouTube channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button.